This is for anyone that wants to make money online. Probably you're looking for a website that would pay you for your time and pay you to do a couple of tasks. Probably surveys, probably testing of website, testing of apps, and the rest. Okay, then this video is for you. Disclaimer: this video or this site are not going to pay you $1 million for a task. All right, so please do well to stick to the end of this video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share this video. All right, and also turn on that notification icon so that when I post my next video concerning this website, you're going to be the first to be notified. All right, so in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 websites that I have found and they pay. All right, and I'm going to make sure that in my next video I'm going to make sure that you guys know if it is compatible with your country, or probably there are any guidelines that you need to follow, or there are some things that you need to reconsider when signing up on this website. All right, so now I'm going to show you the sites. The first one is called enrollapp.com. All right, so first off, you're going to go to your browser and type enrollapp.com. Then you're going to come into an interface like this. Then in this interface, you're going to see let's make the web a better place. All right, and down here you're going to see you're going to be the first, and they say you can take test everywhere or wherever you are. This website is actually for testing of probably websites or apps. They say addicted to your phone or tablet, fear not, you say you can take user test on any phone, device, tablet, desktop, whatever you prefer. This site is available for phones, for desktop, and the rest. And you can collect badge to show off to your friends and get compensated for each test conveniently via PayPal. All right, and this website actually pays you to test a couple of things, probably maybe a site or an app, or basic things, basic tasks they give to you to test. Okay, so this is the sign up page. You just sign up and put in that you can either sign up with Google or sign up with your email. All right, so the next site or the next website I'm going to be talking about is Scribie. I don't know if they call it Scribie or they call it Scribe. I don't know, but I know it's called Scribie. All right, so this website actually pays you to do a couple of freelance job or job related, like transcribing, audio transcription, and the rest. Okay, so if you can see here, you can see that it is confidential, it is 99.9 accuracy, it has online editor and ads on. Okay, so here they say upload or import any type of spoken audio or files, pay using any credit card or PayPal, use our online editor to quickly check and download transcripts. These are for those that probably they have jobs for them. Okay, so now these are people that have actually done the jobs and they are giving their own reviews. Okay, so now this is to transcribe, they review it, they proofread it, they quality check it, and they make sure that you're getting the best, and they make sure that you as a transcriptor, you give them the best of the best. Probably you're someone that like typing, and probably you need something like this, you need a transcription job like this, then this is for you. Okay, this is for you. Just go to scribie.com and you will find this website, and you can walk through it, you can know more about it. But in my next video I'm going to be going in depth into what they pay and how it works. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is QMe. All right, QMe is actually a survey site that pays you to do certain surveys. All right, these are people review that have done the survey. This said good fun doing the survey, and this one said a lot of surveys and payout is quick. So there are a lot of good reviews with this website. Okay, these are people that have made withdrawals and everything. They said earn anytime and anywhere in the world. All right, and actually they cash out however you want and wherever you want. They cash out, you can cash out on this website through PayPal, Venmo, and I think maybe Cash App or something. I don't know, but you can cash out through PayPal and Venmo with what I'm seeing here. All right. Then your opinion matters. Why I said your opinion matters because the survey sites or the surveys they're going to be giving you, they want to get your opinion on certain things. Okay, that's what survey is all about. They want to get the opinion you have or what is your verdict on that particular. It can be a website, it can be a product, it can be as an app that they want to get your opinion on. Then they're going to give it to you and you're going to give your honest opinion. Surveys has to be or has to do with giving your honest opinion on something that the survey they're giving to you. Okay, so now if you want to learn more about this, you just go to the site. It says qme.com. You just go to the site and they get you or they give to you tasks that you can work on. All right, so now this is the login page. You just log in with your email address and your password, whatever password you want to use, and that is fine for you. So these are a couple of surveys that I can see. I have not been able to sign up, but like I said, in my next video I'm going to sign up to this website and we are going to go in depth concerning this website and how it works and if they actually pay truly. Okay, I'm going to be reviewing this website in my next video and how they pay and the rest. Okay, so if you can see here, you can see that they have surveys for travels, they have surveys for fashion, they have surveys for money, they have surveys for food and health and the rest. Okay, so if you sign up, you are going to start doing those surveys. All right, these are a couple of other things on the website and the rest. Okay, so please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment which of the apps you want to try, and probably you've been able to sign up and you're stuck. Okay, just comment where you're stuck and I would make sure to reply to you in the comment section. Okay, make sure you can actually do these 3 apps or 3 sites at the same time. It's something that you can do. All right, you can do the 3 at the same time if you're looking to get more money and the rest. All right, so please and please, I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you come back to check the review of this website that I'm going to make in my next video. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.